A circular coil of radius r and n turns has negligible resistance. As shown in the schematic figure, its two ends are connected to two wires and it is hanging by those wires with its plane being vertical. The wires are connected to a capacitor with charge Q through a switch. The coil is in a horizontal uniform magnetic field B naught parallel to the plane of the coil. When the switch is closed, the capacitor gets discharged through the coil in a very short time. By the time the capacitor is discharged fully, magnitude of the angular momentum gained by the coil will be. Assume that the discharge time is so short that the coil has hardly rotated during this time. This is the capacitor, this is the switch, this is the coil, and magnetic field is acting horizontally, coil is vertically, so the angle between them is 90 degrees. Now they are asking you to find out the gain in the angular momentum. Angular momentum is torque into time. So first let us find out the torque. So torque experienced by the circular loop is vector m cross vector b, cross product of magnetic moment and magnetic field. Now what is the magnetic moment? Magnetic moment is given by the formula current into area. But if you have got more than one turn, then that number of turns also should be multiplied. So current I into area pi r squared into n number of turns. And what is magnetic field here? It is given B naught. And the angle between them is pi by 2 perpendicular. Now take torque into time, that is angular momentum. So this is I pi r squared n B naught into dt. Now I dt, current into time, is charge. So q pi r squared n B naught, which is choice B.